Mr. Dave, and this will be an IGCSE ICT topic on the October-November 2023 paper 3. Now in this video, I will be tackling on the question task for question 9, and this will be a spreadsheet question. Now I will be using Microsoft Excel, and let us start with this question. So the question starts by asking us, you are going to create a spreadsheet to calculate the income and expenditure of the sanctuary for 1 year. All currency values must be displayed in Tawara dollars to 2 decimal places. So there are some things that we need to keep in mind when we do this question, which is keeping this into 2 decimal places and display the currency into dollars. Now open and examine the file n23tgs.csv in your spreadsheet software. This will be included in the source file. So let me open mine. This was the n23tgs.csv. If you don't know the file, this is usually on the comma separated value. So we're just going to open this one instead. And using Microsoft Excel, we can see that we have the income. We can also have the expenditure values, and then we have at least a bit of profit and balance, profit loss balance right there. Now examining this, I'm pretty sure they will ask us to do some kind of formula calculation over in total and over in profit loss too. But nevertheless, let us take a step back by looking at the question. So once we open this one, let us say that this question asks us to save this as a spreadsheet with the file name, TGS, center number, candidate number. Very easy stuff. Let us just get that in the way. Just go on to file, save this as, I'm just going to put in a location that I want to. Let's save this one over here, TGS underscore. My play along candidate number was MY because I'm from Malaysia. So 299, and the candidate number was a play of triple. All right, I'm going to save in the location that I want to with all the details that are required, and I'm going to click save over there. All right, let's take a look at the question again. They ask us right now to place in the header, left align your name, center number, candidate number, and then right align the automated file name with this file path. Okay. At the top right here, we don't see the header. In order to see the header of a spreadsheet, we have to go all the way to view, and then we need to select page layout. Then only the header will be able to be shown. And then on the left align, let's put our name. My name was David Young, or as the candidate details. The center number was MY299, and then the candidate details is there. And on the right hand side, we need to put the automated file name with its file path. So we can go ahead and select the file name and a file path. Oh, so file name and file path should be corrected already. We don't really need to use the file name because file name is the same as file path. So I think we can just select file path and cell. All right, that's the only thing. So and path and file. And in order to see whether this is correct, let's preview this in a format. Okay, that is correct one. We have the file location, the file path, and of course the file name itself has been shown. All right, so that's basically it. And we can actually go outside of this view. We can just go back to the normal view, and then we can proceed to do whatever that we need in the later on. Now, if you are concerned where did this go through, you can always go back to page layout, or you can go on to print, and you'll be able to see that that will be printed out at the end when you finish the spreadsheet. And that's about it for this question. So let's take a look at the mark scheme and see how the mark scheme will grade us. And question 9 is a very simple one. As long as we have the header, candidate details on the left, and the file name with path is on the right, will award us with already 2 marks. With that, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next questions video. Bye. Take care.